Question number 20. A city council established the following budget to improve public transportation. Salaries 50%, office lease 35%, equipment 6%, supplies 2%, miscellaneous 7%. So here is what they did. They took this budget and divided it into even smaller budgets, right? So for salaries, they gave them 50% of the total budget, okay? 35% off the total budget. So if you add everything up, you should come up with 100%, okay? Now, let's go to the question. If 72,000 is allotted for equipment, what is the total budget, okay? So which means if I go back to the table, you see 6% because that's what's been given for the equipment. Here is what it means. 6% of the total budget is simply $72,000, okay? So I'm missing obviously my off, which is the base number, and he gave me the part, which is the is, okay? So I don't think the question was that hard to understand. So I go to my is over off. So is over off equals percent over 100. So again, we said the is $72,000 over x, because that's the base number, and 6 over 100, okay? So I'm going to cross multiply as always, and I'm going to do the same here. So when you multiply 72,000 by 100, you're going to just add 2 extra zeros, and when you divide by 6, you should come up with, let's see, $1,200,000. Okay, and that's your final answer. Now, be careful, on the calculator it's going to give you 1,200,000. Now be careful, question or answer number D, it looks similar but it's got more zeros. So the best thing to do is count your zeros. So I have 5 zeros. Then look at the answer that matches the 5 zeros, and that's obviously letter C in this case. So that's your final answer, okay? So you come to letter C, and you're going to circle that. Okay, final answer is C.